Hello, in front of me I've got Chevrolet Orlando. In this video I'll show you how to change seat position. In the beginning, let's take a look at the driver's seat. In order to change driver's seat position, we can use three levers. First lever is located behind the seat, thanks to which you can change back of the seat position. Second lever is located right here. Thanks to this lever you can lower and raise the seat. In the end we've got the lever under the seat, thanks to which we can change seat distance from the steering wheel. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.